Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know I haven't I made a video in a long while. So, I decided to come back. I would make, this video. I've learned about this cool mod called, the Holiday mod recently. And, I played it and I decided I would make my own version of Demolition. The fourth song, not Xanta, because that's too hard. Anyway, here we go. Now Linda plays and I made my own chart. So that's pretty cool, am I right? Thanks, Keith. I can't go away from Linda was doing notes. Oh, time to shoot with my gun. Sorry. Don't, Kiki. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. Kiki, don't do that again, okay? I'm trying to record a video. A lot of damage. Surprised that thing's not destroyed. I also made it so that way he hits notes during the shooting part. The second one anyway. So that's it.